What's the meaning of cairn terrier? Cairn terrier. Cairn terrier.
Cairn terrier. Cairn terrier. The cairn terrier is a small breed of dog that originated in Scotland. The name cairn comes from the piles of stones that were used to mark borders or graves in the Scottish countryside. These dogs were originally bred to hunt rodents and small game, and their compact size, sharp senses, and fearless nature made them excellent at their job. Today, cairn terriers are popular family pets known for their spunky personalities, loyalty, and affectionate nature. They are also still used for hunting and make excellent watchdogs due to their alertness and protective instincts.